stop loss would have been right around here, a tiny bit under, and 110 pips would have been right here. Was it here? I think so. No, it was here. 110 pips would have been right around here. Our first 110 pips. We risk 25. We gain 38. We move our stop loss here, and let's actually mark it with this line here. We move our stop loss here. Now we are in a risk-free trade. We already have 37 pips for the day. We were taken out. No. Yes, we were taken out, which is fine. Which is no problem. We already made 30 something pips for today, 38 pips, and we are in a risk-free trade, and usually we will get the second trade as well. So this is today, and today we did get. So let's mark it. This is the European, and this is the London. This is the low. Notice that even though we have a break here, we don't take it. It does not even interest us because we are only taking longs. So let's see. Right here it broke our Asian session and gave us higher high. This candle here in the middle, the blue candle, it gave us a lower high. It did not make a higher high, and our entry would be from this height. This candle right here would give us an entry for two half positions, and our stop loss would be 7.5 pips under this, around here also. Yes, and our first take profit would be, this will be the low of the day, because during the European session we made a lower low. So this will be the low of the day, and we would look for 110 pips, and it would be right around here. Right around here, I believe, was it? Now I will give you an advice. I found that it's not really worth being greedy and saying, I want to go for 120 or 130 or just a little bit more. Take the 110 when it's there. It's half of your it's half of the position. It is great at this point to just close the computer, set your new stop loss to here to break even, close the computer and go do other things during the day, not worrying. You already have a profit and you're in a risk-free trade. It is a great feeling to do this every day. It is much nicer to be in a risk-free trade than sometimes saying, gosh, I wish I would have just taking this 110 because it goes to 110 or so, and then it goes down like here, or it is really nice feeling 110 pips from the low of the day, which usually gives you about between 30 and 60 pips on your first trade, and it's almost you will almost always get this first trade. The second trade, sometimes yes, sometimes no. It's nice when you do. It's not a problem when you don't. But it's really a nice feeling to take a few pips and go on, do whatever you have to do during the day, not really being so concerned if what's going on with the trade. So here our second take profit would be, I don't go for the whole 180, I go for 170 just to be on the safe side. Here we did not make it, but here we made it, and we would have made 180 as well. We would have even made 195, but I take 170, and that was 114 pips or so for the second trade. 53 pips for the first trade. Great day, easy work. I have to wake up at 12 o'clock at night. I wake up at around 11:30, so I can analyze a little bit, see what's going on. Then I put up the trade, I wait for the first one, I move my stop losses, and I go to sleep, and that's it. I let it ride the whole day, and I'm not really very concerned about it. So this is the system. We can take a few more examples. No problem. Let's just see where we are. Okay, so this was this week, and let's get rid of some lines. This was this week. This is the beginning of the week. This was the Friday that we looked at. We would have had no trades here, but let's look at it. Let's look at what happens when the market goes down, goes against our direction. Because obviously we will make money when the market goes up, but let's see what happens when the market goes down. On this day here we would have made probably both. 170, we have it. On this day we would have made both, and let's see what happens from this point on for the next 4 days. So let's mark it. Go to the 5 minutes. Oh, this is our day right here. Absolutely no short, no long trade here. No long trade. So we would have, this day would not really count for anything. There was no trading this day.